Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to show you an interior view of exiting your vehicle with an Easy Reach. The Easy Reach, as you may know, uses the factory seat, and as you'll notice, you got pretty reasonable leg room in the back of this Ford F-Series pickup truck. You can see that we've gone into the factory seat bolt locations. Lift is going down and bringing you outside. We appreciate your watching our video. Thank you for tuning in. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about our company, contact us at www.accessunlimited.com. You can also go to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/accessun. We're on Twitter at @accessun. And we would love to hear from you. Give us a phone call at 615-873-0518. Evenings and weekends. Daytimes 607-669-4822. Please check out, this is a detailed video, so please check out the notes field of this video to give you the main video showing exterior views, etc. of this same lift. Hope you enjoyed watching our video, and we look forward to talking to you soon.